friends, welcome back. We are here with the next edition of Fancy Shanta sale items. You can see new tops, dresses. This time we have a lot of dresses also on promotions. If you buy 3 pieces, they're going for $100. I'll show you the styles. You can choose the sizes. We'll show those dresses later. First we'll start with tops. The one I'm wearing is a kaftan style, very beachy, very smart for Christmas lunches, and also it's a kaftan with the white pants. You can take a look. It's a small size. It's not free size, it's a small size. Have sizes in them, so you can see for yourself and order or check on the sizing. It's like this. This is a kaftan style. It's going for $39.90. $39.90. So if you want your sizes, WhatsApp us. The numbers are given on the top. Then I'll get back to you. Take a look at the style. It's like this. It has a shaping, so it looks slim look, not so transparent. This is the back. This is the front. It's ideal for holidays, it's ideal for traveling, it's ideal for wearing for lunches. It looks very smart. Now this is another one, another kaftan top, but this is a short length. This is more for shorts and all, like people wear it with shorts. This is short length. You can wear it straight, then you wear your shorts, or with jeans. This is more on a short length. Some people don't like it too long because they look short, or they are not so tall. They prefer this one. This is abstract printing, and there's a lace on the neck. It goes like this. The sleeves are a little shorter than this one. It's not that long sleeves. This is a little longer. This is shorter sleeves. You see, it comes here. This is also quite smart. This has few sizes, not all sizes available. Please check on the sizes in this one. No, not transparent, very translucent. Lovely print, lovely color. You can check the print close by. I'm bringing. This is the lace work. Here is the back. You can see. It's translucent, not transparent. You can wear it without wearing the slip. We have sold a lot of pieces, but nobody needs a slip. People have tried it. So this is one. I'll show you the others. This is also kaftan style, but a little butterfly look. The sleeve has a butterfly look. You take a look here. It's a butterfly look. Can you see? The colors are really vibrant for Christmas, for New Year's people, and it's embellished also. They are all going for $39.90. They're all going for $39.90. These are all sale items. Please rush and book your sizes because they are not regularly sold at this price. See? I hope you can understand. There is a shaping like this, and this is the sleeve. You see? This is the armhole, and this is the butterfly sleeves. So it folds like this. Length is good, about 25 inches, and it's here. It's slightly fitted, so size is small to L. I'm not sure how many sizes are available, but you can check on WhatsApp. If you like this style, please WhatsApp us. I'll get back to you. Then is this, again a very beachy and a very smart top. You can knot it here. It's a georgette top, georgette fabric, sleeveless, and it is collared. There's a band here, there's buttoning here, then it goes down, you knot it. It's optional. You don't like to knot it, you can leave it open also. We've knotted it because people like to style it up in that manner. This is the back of the top, you can see. Yes, that is it. It's a very tropical printing, but quite nice georgette print. Again, translucent, not transparent. You can mix and match with black pants. I can match it with whites also. You can see for yourself. You can do it with black. You can do it with the loose pants also, culottes also, if you like to wear it with culottes. Yeah, sizing is available. We have deeper sizes in this one. So in case you like, please text us and send us a snapshot. We'll get back to you on the sizing. Sleeveless smart top. A shirt kind of a sleeveless shirt kind of a top. This is a pink chiffly top with short sleeves, like comfortable, and jagged edges. Earlier, long back in our first or the second collection, we had done a printed one in this with the jagged edges. This is the other one in it with the short sleeves, straight cut, jagged edges down below, very comfortable, round neck, easy wear with denims, with anything. Going for $39.90. You can see the fabric and the print also in it, chiffon print. Here the size is L, so I think L, XL or double XL will be there. L is quite loose, so comfortable styling, but the fabric is quite nice. You can mix and match and wear it for anywhere. Yeah. Looks nice with blue. I'm wearing a white. It goes well with white, but I think blue is nice. It looks brighter in blue. See, blue makes it more bright and nice. The next one is a polycrepe, simple top, straight top with lace and a bell sleeves, easy wear. With white pants, it looks amazing. You see with the white pants. It's striped print. It is all striped with the floral print. Quite nice. We played the lace in a V neck, though it has a round neck. The fabric is very comfortable. Polycrepe, not so polyester. It's a mixed blend of silk and poly. So it has a shine also, soft also, and not so, it doesn't get creased so fast. So it looks nice. Very comfortable piece. You can take a look at this one. Has sleeves also, 3/4 sleeves. So comfortable, not sleeveless all the time. People don't like it. Blingy pocket. Those who like blingy pockets, here is it. Another style for you. See, there's a blingy pocket, simple, roll up sleeves kind of a thing, outward fold. Here, round neck, slip on. This is a last piece, XL size, round neck. You just tie the cord here. It comes like this. It's a ruffle on the neck. This is a neck ruffle. Sleeves like this, embroidered sleeves on top of it. You can see the embroidery. It's all smoked here, so it's a bit tight here. Loose baggy sleeves. This has a smoking down below, so when you wear it, it holds on to your waist and then it falls like this. See, the color is aqua blue kind of a color, not green, aqua blue. Another navy blue top with a ruffle on the side, eyelet here, button here. There's a button here. You can open the button, wear it, tie the button. This is a simple straight top. Navy blue color. Earlier we did a peach, yellow and orange color in this one. So now is the blue one. So anybody liking this can order this. Sizes are available. It's a plain straight top. Easy wear to office, comfortable wear. You need to tuck it in, you can do that. You can leave it outside also It's quite a comfortable style. Here is it. Mega sleeves. There was a green color also which sold very well. This is the ruffle. You see the ruffle on the side. There's an eyelet here on the side, not in the center. This is the eyelet. Quite a nice style. Easy wear, easy. You can mix and match with lot of bottoms. I'm going for $39.90. Sizes are available. Please text us for sizing. Thanks. The other one is this floral printed rayon top. It's a twill fabric, so the print is quite a ditzy print, but quite a nice one. It's got a folding here, boat neck, easy wear. People generally match it with darker pants, with navy blue pants. This is the look. It's a free size, so generally I'll advise people, those who are L or XL or double XL will love it. XL and double XL, people will love it. The fitting comes out very well. Medium size, I think, will medium also. Medium and large can also. Only S people don't try this because it will be too loose for them. Too loose for them. See this one? It's a baggy kind of a styling, but very comfortable styling. The fabric is very nice. Twill cotton fabric. You can take a look at the fabric. And it's a beautiful ditzy print, so it's quite nice. This is the kind of styling. It has sleeves also. It's comfortable also, not too low neck also, boat neck also, easy wear also. Fabric is quite cheap. Now these are the tops we had. Now we will switch to dresses. I'll show you a couple of dresses which are going $300-400. So 3 dresses for $100. So what you can do is you can send us a picture. I'll tell you the sizes if it's suitable. You can, if you want, you can come and try also. We are on display, but we are short of sizes, so you have to check your sizes before you come. I'll show you this, dresses. One is this multicolored straight dress. Here the size is M, L, XL, I think is available. S is sold out. I think double XL is also sold out. So this is the kind of a styling. It's a very colorful dress, very Christmas kind of a dress. You can see. It has a neck band, V neck, placket in the front open. Then is the roll up sleeves. This is the kind of a styling. Pockets are here, both sides. This is the kind of styling it is. We'll go to the next dress. It's a shirt dress. It's a simple shirt dress with a tie knot on the cuff. It's knotted here. Tie knot here. Over here also. Bow here. It's a straight shift dress. You can wear it as a kurta also with the leggings. People are buying for that purpose also, but otherwise it's a dress. It's used as a dress. It's a checkered fabric, polycrepe fabric. It's a blend of cotton and silk in this. You can take a look. You can see how it comes out. The length is approximately 38 inches. It's long, straight, fit, sizes available. Check on the sizes and send us a picture, please. This is the other dress, polka dot dress. It's fitted on the top and it is a little flare at the bottom. Take a look at this one. It has straight sleeves. Again, a polycrepe fabric. Colors is very nice. Zipper at the back. It's got a long zipper. It's a fitted style. SML XL is available. You can come and try, or you can take a snapshot if you're sure of your sizing. Then this one is a straight dress. There is a pin tuck here and there's a tie knot here. It's a bell sleeves. lovely color, apt for Christmas, apt for New Year party, anything. You can accessorize it, it looks gorgeous. The color is so nice. It's not red, it's not pink, mix of red and pink, magenta kind of a color. This is the styling. Like this, we have lots of them. You can come and try them and take your pick. They are all going $300-400. The dresses and the tops, all the one I showcased, are $39. If you like anything, please take a snapshot and send it to us. Even this kaftan is $39.90. It's a georgette fabric, not transparent but very translucent. Anything else, we are open. WhatsApp numbers are given. Please call us or text us. We'll get back to you. If we get delayed in our replies, please bear with us, because that means so many people are texting us at the same time. We need to check on the sizes. We need to check on the, what all is available, because somebody is committing, somebody is checking, so we can't ask the other person also on the same thing. So limited sizes are available. That is why they're going on sale. So thanks for your understanding and looking forward to your fast replies. Okay, bye guys. Stay safe and take care.